guys, our first recipe for today is grilled shrimp kebab. First, put the shrimp in a mixing bowl. Then you can add chopped basil or any herbs, but it's up to you. Combine salt, black pepper, and pizza seasonings or any seasonings that you prefer. Mix them well and set aside. Cut onion into chunks and cut zucchini into 1/2 inch slices. Green and red bell pepper cut into chunks and alternately thread all the vegetables into the skewers. Grill kebabs over medium heat, turning often until all sides of the shrimp is well orange and vegetables are tender, about 7 to 10 minutes. There is just something so lovely and amazing about enjoying delicious food outdoor. Transfer kebabs to a plate, garnish with rosemary sprigs, and squeeze some fresh lemon or orange juice over the top to taste. For the second recipe, we have grilled tuna veggie tortillas. Again, chop onion to your desired sizes. Cut the green bell peppers in half lengthwise and discard seeds and membranes. Do the same cut to tomatoes. Cut the cucumber into 1/2 inch slices. Cucumber skin is super nutritious, so you don't need to peel it. Cut the cheese in half lengthwise. I recommend you to use Eden cheese because it's way too tasty and melted easily. Prepare the lettuce and cut in half. Set up and gather all your ingredients and toppings near the grill so you have easy access to everything. Lay the tortilla on the grill and top it quickly with cheese, century tuna flakes in vegetable oil, bell pepper, onion, tomatoes, and lettuce. Add pizza seasonings to taste. You don't need to put salt here. Then use tongue to remove the tortilla quickly, but make sure that the edges is crisp and well done. Repeat the same procedure for the second batch. Just in case you have some friends pop over, this is also a meal that everyone will enjoy. The whole thing is just an easy and healthy meal. The melted cheese inside and raw veggies makes everything extra hearty, flavorful, and incredibly filling. I made this a lot of times for my family and friends, and it was a complete hit. It was super easy to assemble and was gone way too fast. Serve in tortillas with ketchup or hot sauce.